My name's Max, and I'm the co-founder of Acre World and Platinum Bay NFT. And Acre World is a platform for the tokenization of real-world assets on-chain. Platinum Bay is the first project in our incubator. Basically, it is a 432-room resort going up in Phuket, Thailand. And we're very proud to be here and to be offering this for the future of real-world assets on-chain, which is a budding segmentation of the market. And so basically, we're going to get into some of the aspects of real-world asset tokenization and how that will bring forth the next segmentation, onboarding users into Web3. So the introduction here, basically, the tokenization of real-world assets on the blockchain has the potential to revolutionize traditional methods of investing, unlocking previously inaccessible markets and allowing traditional businesses and commercial businesses to tap into a previously untapped market. So some of the benefits of tokenization: we have the fractional ownership of assets. This allows users to diversify their NFT portfolios and basically will allow users to democratize investments as opposed to previous opportunities that were available only to venture capital and accredited investors, bringing them into the retail market. Increased liquidity will allow for the fractionalization of these assets, making it possible for investors to buy and sell portions of an asset, tremendously increasing liquidity. With the transparency of blockchain, this basically allows reduced transaction costs, cutting out middle agents, as well as saving millions of dollars in development costs for real estate developers, asset managers, and those in commodities. In terms of the how it's currently done in asset tokenization, tokens are created on the blockchain using smart contracts, which are self-executing, obviously, and currently they're evaluated by independent firms determining their value. However, when you have something like real estate, for example, that allows the objective valuations to come in to what's normally a volatile and very subjective market. So having the digital representation of an asset, along with the reduced costs and fees, and bridging it into the traditional world, this really allows access to future markets that can grow very, very quickly. Having the tokenization platforms is absolutely crucial, and having them work together with protocols. We believe that combining NFTs with DeFi is the future for real-world assets, allowing traditional financial principles and leveraging these real-world assets. Interoperability will be absolutely key between these different tokenization platforms that are emerging. Improved legal and regulatory frameworks will be very important as well, because the standardization is really what's lacking currently in terms of token issuance and asset valuation methods. So right now we have the ability to basically tokenize individual projects, but we don't have the overall liquidity in the market that is necessary to really bring in the full-scale platforms for the future, for trading and asset fractionalization. However, the continued innovation, such as the development of new token standards and the use of blockchain in new industries, will certainly create the opportunity for more adoption. Of course, the security practices in place and the automation and efficiency will allow users to trade more effectively, and it will decentralize many of these projects that are coming on board currently. There's still many risks in terms of the lack of regulatory clarity and the frauds and scams that we currently see. It's still very early for real-world assets currently at the moment, but we believe that this will be the meta in the future as we progress forward. And there are many technical risks as well, and legal risks. So we're really relying on the regulatory clarity and government agencies to work together in order to provide the standards that we will use in the future. At the end of 2021, there was approximately $459 million estimated in real-world asset-backed projects in the market, whereas now, currently, we're looking at about $4 billion. And this is already a lot of growth that we're experiencing, but the largest share of that comes from real estate tokenization. And the projected market size will be $1.5 trillion by 2030. Now, currently, real estate project tokenization is projected to reach a market size of $800 billion by 2025. So, although we're looking at the future, it's really not that far away. Tokenization has the potential to revolutionize traditional investing methods and unlock previously inaccessible markets. The projected growth is absolutely massive, and we're expected to see significant growth in the coming years, driven by several factors. Regulatory clarity will be absolutely crucial to the development of these platforms, as well as growing interest from institutions. However, right now we have the ability to tokenize these individual projects into NFT collections, and that is what we are focused on, incubating these projects and bringing them to market. We currently have a hotel development that we're working on where NFT holders will be able to own a portion of the resort and have access to token rewards as well as luxury travel benefits. So in conclusion, between art, commodities, real estate, and all of the other incredible assets that are out there, we really believe that this will usher in the next segmentation of Web3 users in order to help us get to 1 billion. Thank you very much.